At the risk of sounding like a mom, I'm going to tell you to use your words when you set a meeting or an appointment on your calendar. Hi, I'm Ann Michael Henry, Workplace Productivity Strategist with Mise en Place. And yes, you can use natural language to set dates on your calendars. So yes, you can use your words. Let me show you. Let's say you've just finished a meeting with a team member or a client and they say, let's get together in 5 weeks. Well, you've got the option to go and count out the weeks on your calendar. You can pop open your calendar down below and scroll down and count any number of things. Or you can open up that appointment, that meeting wizard, and delete the date and type in 5 weeks. And there you have it. It will go to August 16th. And if you were to count that out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there you have it. It's all set. Now, I don't think we're going to meet at 5:15 in the morning, so let's change that to 8 a.m. and we'll go with about an hour and we're good to go. Another way you can do it is let's meet on the second Tuesday in November, November 14th, right? Sure enough, second Tuesday in November. Another way you can do it is by holiday. Valentine's Day, February 14th. Halloween, October 31st. About the only holiday you'll have a challenge with is Thanksgiving because that day always changes. So last Thursday in November. And there you have it, Thanksgiving. So that's how you can use your words or natural language to set the dates on your calendar. Hope you enjoyed this tip. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to the Mise en Place channel so that you can get even more tips. Thank you and have a great day.